The International Association Juris Naturalis Societas promotes all publications that help spread awareness of the legal and political significance of natural law. For this reason, we now wish to support a journal that, while not affiliated with the association, exceptionally promotes the same goals as the association. It is a great pleasure to have the opportunity to introduce Persona y Derecho to all of you. Every academic discipline is ultimately defined by its conversations. Conferences begin those conversations, but journals preserve them, deepen them, and transmit them across generations and across countries. Today, I would like to introduce you to one of those places where the international conversation in legal philosophy has been taking place for more than 50 years. Persona y Derecho was founded in 1974 by Professor Javier Hervada at the University of Navarra. For more than half a century, it has been devoted to one central purpose: fostering rigorous reflection on the philosophical foundations of law, legal institutions, and human rights. Very soon, the journal will publish its 100th issue. Reaching that milestone is, in itself, a remarkable achievement. It reflects not only editorial continuity, but also the trust that generations of scholars have placed in the journal. From its very beginning, Persona y Derecho has been characterized by intellectual seriousness and academic rigor. Although it has historically maintained a close dialogue with the classical natural law tradition, it has never been conceived as the journal of a particular school or ideology. On the contrary, it welcomes contributions from every serious approach to legal philosophy. Its pages have brought together scholars working in natural law theory, legal positivism, constitutional theory, legal realism, legal hermeneutics, political philosophy, human rights, and many other areas. What matters is not adherence to a particular methodology, but the quality of the research and its contribution to understanding the fundamental questions of law. The journal is published by the University of Navarra and follows a strict double-blind peer review process, ensuring the highest academic standards. Today, Persona y Derecho is fully open access. This means that every article published since the journal's foundation is freely available to scholars throughout the world. Allow me to show you the journal's website. As you can see, all issues are accessible online. At this moment, there are 93 complete issues available for consultation and download, representing more than 5 decades of scholarship. One of the journal's greatest strengths is the richness of its archive. Researchers can browse complete issues, search by author, search by topic, or explore thematic collections. This extensive archive has become a genuine research resource for scholars, doctoral students, and practitioners alike. Many journals make only their recent issues available. Persona y Derecho has chosen a different path: to make its intellectual heritage freely accessible to everyone. That reflects one of the journal's deepest convictions: academic knowledge should circulate as widely as possible. The journal is now entering a particularly exciting stage of its history. In recent years, it has been incorporated into both Web of Science and Scopus, substantially increasing its international visibility. At the same time, the editorial team has launched an ambitious process of internationalization. One important aspect of this strategy is the gradual transition towards bilingual publication, giving increasing prominence to English while maintaining the journal's historic commitment to Spanish. Their goal is simple. They want Persona y Derecho to become a truly international meeting place for scholars working on the philosophical foundations of law. We warmly invite colleagues from every continent to consider Persona y Derecho as a forum for their research. Allow me to conclude with one final reflection. Every academic journal ultimately depends upon its scholarly community. A journal becomes influential not only because it publishes excellent articles, but because those articles become part of an ongoing international conversation. As researchers, we all benefit from journals that preserve and disseminate ideas across generations. If you do, we hope you will engage with them, discuss them, and cite them whenever they genuinely contribute to your work. Academic citations are much more than bibliometric indicators. They are the visible expression of scholarly dialogue. They acknowledge intellectual debts, connect researchers across countries and generations, and allow important ideas to continue shaping future research. After more than 50 years of continuous publication, and with nearly 100 issues now available to the international academic community, we believe that Persona y Derecho has much to contribute to the future of legal philosophy. We would be honored to have you join that conversation, as readers, as authors, as reviewers, and as members of the growing international community surrounding the journal. Thank you very much for your attention, and we hope to welcome many of you as future contributors to Persona y Derecho.